Hey everyone, how you doing? It's me, Tim. I see Mother Nature fooled us this week. Yeah, she fooled us. She was supposed to dump 2 to 4 inches of snow on the ground today. Look how much we got today. Not even 2 to 4 inches. I wonder why she was having our weatherman say 2 to 4 inches. Mother Nature played a good one on us here in Michigan today. Yeah. Well, I tell you, it's been a windy day. I tell you that much. But no 2 to 4 inches like they was calling for. Wished we would have had 2 to 4 inches, but we didn't. But makes it more easier for people to travel without that mess on the road. But yeah, we got fooled by Mother Nature. Y'all take it easy.